Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes.
What's going on, everybody?
Started.
Get started here in just a second. Kind of a boring day for Bitcoin. Not really much going on, but we'll still check it out, man. Pretty much sideways here for the last couple days, man. Bitcoin's got our hope up 3 times. Once right here, once right here, and once right here. It's got our hopes down 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. Is it going to be ready for a move back up to the upside? That's what we're going to check out today, guys. What's going on, everyone, though? What's going on, guys? What's going on, John? What's going on, DJ? 100, what's up, man? Pump song for Doge. The Doges are back. The Doges! Ah, I didn't miss the Doges. I did not miss the Doges. What's going on, everybody? We're gonna get started here in just a sec. Just a quick sec. Ba-da-ba. Yo! What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. What's going on? A pretty boring day for Bitcoin. Last couple days have been pretty boring for Bitcoin, but we got some good things going on here. Make sure my mic is on because, you know, we've had me not putting the mic on a couple different times here. What's going on, Chris? What's going on, Chris? Guys, Bitcoin's pretty much going sideways here. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin, but I know everyone wants to play the pump song for Doge, okay? You know, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. All right, let me get my little dog on my shoulder here, and we'll play the pump song for Doge. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Let me get this guy on here. There it is. The dog coins are back, baby. Doge up about 14% on the day. Let's play the pump song for Doge, man. Let's get it for all the Doges in the chat. Let me know if you're a Doja. Yay. Trevor said, don't do it. Floki? No way, Floki's going off too. You gotta be kidding me, man. Floki's about to go off too? Don't wanna party. Dogecoin. This is a furry channel now? Yes. All right, Doge. What the heck is going on with Doge? So Doge up about 14% today. You know why? I mean, Elon and Twitter. I'm going to assume that's most of it here. But we did come up to the 200-day EMA. So I know all the Dogers are getting pumped. Just be careful here, all right? We got to see if we can close above the 200 EMA. If we do, all right, all is good in Doge land. But if we don't, well, we could see this turn into a pretty big wick here, just like you saw from back up in this pump, all right, on January 14th. Though, you guys know I expect the crypto market to continue up, so I also expect Doge to continue up here as well. Though, all right, daily showing a little bit signs of being a little bit toppy. Though, you never know with Doge. You never know with these dog coins. They can do what they want to do, all right? Let me take this dog off because it's getting a little sweaty in here. It's getting a little sweaty. There we go. Stuff that turkey. Let's see. Doge replaced the blue bird. Oh, God, man. Oh, God. Hideous chart. Yeah, we're not out of the woods yet on Doge. But what I'll say is we did break this big downtrend of resistance on Doge. We have 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. Smack the downtrend of resistance. So that is looking pretty juicy for Doge, if I may so say myself.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Creepy, take the mask off, please. Elwin, why are you creeped out about that, man? Why would you be creeped out about a dog mask? That makes no sense, bro. No sense. All right, let's go take a look at Bitcoin. So overall, Bitcoin really not doing much in April, right? The last 4 days. Everyone hyping up April so far. Well, Bitcoin's been a big scam.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Well, we've been kind of a financially illiterate. Us holders have been slightly financially illiterate. So far in April, we're getting pretty much going sideways, you know, just in this range between about 47K and about 45,500. Just going up, down, right? Do we have any signs of hope here? Now you guys see the title. Bitcoin crypto boring. But, besides Doge, but I do like some things that are going on in the charts, right? Bitcoin resetting a lot of important areas. Financially, bullish on Dog Jordan. You should be bullish, man. You should be bullish. Yeah, guys, smack that like button up. Smack that like button up. But why are we looking pretty good here in the daily time frame? Let's take a look. So we're resetting some indicators here on the daily very, very nicely. We know that overall, we're still retesting the previous highs of this ascending triangle formation that Bitcoin did break out of, right? We had 1 high, 2 highs, 3 highs, 4 highs. We just came back down and tested the previous resistance of flipping in support. We also came back down and tested 200 EMA, but we know this already, right? We know this. We'll take a look at the targets again in a little bit, but what do I like about this? Bitcoin is resetting the daily stock RSI very, very nicely. Very, very nicely, if I may ask. You guys see that we were topped out on this. We said at some point, Bitcoin's going to need a pullback, right?
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
No, it does not mean that Bitcoin's going to 10K, Jimmy. It just means that Bitcoin needed a slight pullback. Now, we got a slight pullback and we're kind of consolidating now, which is allowing the stock RSI to come back down here, which in theory should allow us to continue back up at some point in the near future, right? This is beautiful. This is exactly what we want to see. If this is better, right? This consolidation, I know it might be slightly boring here in the last couple of days, but this consolidation is actually really, really, really good for BTC because it's not requiring us to have this massive pullback to reset some of these indicators. It's just requiring us to go sideways, which I'm still looking at this as a bullish back test and a continuation, right? If we actually take the measure move again from swing high to swing low, once again, guys, and we extrapolate this to the upside, right? The measure move was about a measly $60,000, somewhere actually up about $61,000 is the measure move here eventually. We said it's not going to happen overnight, but so far so good. So far so good. Doge to the dollar. Michael said Bob's screen time way down since Java came back. Yes, there is a reason for that, Mike. Your boy accidentally pressed the star on Bob, and now Bob is missing, okay? And I know a lot of you guys be mad about that, okay? A lot of you guys will be mad about that. But it's okay. We will find Bob, and we will get him back, because Bob is great. We all like Bob. We all like Bob. What's the difference between Jimmy and a pencil neck? Jimmy makes money and pencil necks don't. Okay, what's the difference? Well, this is what Jimmy does. Jimmy makes money. He invests in crypto. I'm not a pencil neck. I have a plunger on my head. I actually invest in crypto, and I don't just crap on it 24/7. My $500 stimmy is going to turn into $1 million. That's what Crypto Rover said. That's what that Martini guy said. My $500 is going to turn into $1 million by 2024. Just watch. Strap up. We're going to the moon. And then you got Pencil Neck Boy. Where's my pencil neck? I'm a pencil neck. I'll never invest in crypto. This is just a dead cat bounce. Nothing else. Like, do you see the rate hikes? Do you see the war going on over there in the other part of the world? Of course we're not going to go up. I'm all in stables right now. I'll never get in. I'm just a pencil neck. I like to troll the chat. Stupid pencil neck laugh. No, but that's the difference between Jimmy and the pencil neck guys. There's a big, big difference between Jimmy and the pencil neck. Jimmy makes money. Pencil neck does not. Doja's top. Don't fall for it. We don't know right now. We don't know right now, man. We have no idea. So, I mean, I've said that in the past, and that's why I'm not crapping on Doge right now. I won't crap on Shiba, okay? I won't crap on some of these meme coins because, you know, I have in the past, and they absolutely exploded to the upside. So, I am not going to crap on Doge. People say, Doge is not a meme coin. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Okay, Doge is a meme coin. Deal with it. Doesn't mean it can't go to the upside, though. All right? Bitcoin still, I'm a little stuffy. I need to blow my nose here. Bitcoin's still in this sort of rising channel here, right? You got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch on the bottom side. Still just in this channel, right? We need to break out of this at some point, but we're just consolidating, man. We're setting some of our indicators here nicely on the daily. 4 hour is also resetting nicely. But what are we waiting for, man? I mean, this symmetrical triangle, we keep looking at the symmetrical triangle every day, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And we're still in it, right? We're still just going up, down, just constricting in a tighter zone, right? Usually when you see the price action get tighter like this, you're going to expect a decent move at some point soon, right? So still expecting a move at some point soon. Still expecting it to the upside whenever it does happen because, like I said, we were setting some of the indicators very, very nicely for continuation up. It's just a matter of time, in my opinion. Just a matter of time and patience. Once again, right, market makers love, I would say they love to make price go sideways after exuberant time, make price go sideways, say, oh, what was that dead cat bounce? There's no volume. There's no volume. Remember what happened last time? There was no volume, right? What happened last time there was no volume? Well, exactly what happened last summer. And you guys know what happened last summer when there was no volume. It was beautiful, beautiful things, man. Beautiful, beautiful things. Jay Hem said break. Just got to have patience, man. We are going to break to the upside. Just have some patience. Have the positivity. And we will go to the upside, man. Have the positivity, dude. You know? Let me blow my nose here. Lay off the blow for a little bit. Yeah, I got to do that, man. I got to lay off the blow. Oh, yeah. Nothing's better than that noise. Let me tell you. 4 to 5 days, then pump. 4 to 5 days. Could be a little bit. But like I said, daily stocks daily stocks are going down. Daily RSI going down. 4-hour RSI we're setting nicely. 4-hour stock RSI we're setting nicely. I think this is setting up for a nice move. Hourly is not really telling us too much, guys. Like, as much as I want to say stuff on the hourly time frame, there's not much going on, man. There's not much going on. Even Java right now is super, super boring. He's just sitting back doing absolutely nothing. What is this price action? I want to make money on a shore. This sucks. Savvy, where's your fractal? Where's your stupid fractal? We're supposed to be at 30K by now. Savvy, where's your Elliott wave? Who the hell is Elliott? I'm supposed to be rich by now. Who the hell is Elliott? Elliott! Elliott! Where's your stupid waves? I don't see any waves. I'm going to Vegas in 2 days. There won't be any waves there. Elliott! Oh, God. Forget Elliott. Even Jabba's bored right now, guys. The Bulls are bored. The Bears are bored. You know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Amro said Jordan is a clown. Hey, if you want to call me a clown, man, just because you're boring doesn't mean I'm a clown, okay? Just because you're boring doesn't mean I'm a clown. Jordan, you're not seeing the clam pattern. The clam? Where the hell is the clam, John? I'd love to see the clam pattern. Where is it? I mean, this is pretty much a clam. This is a clam right here, right? You got down, up, up, down. This is what clams do. Clams can gotta go. There we go. Pencil neck. We're all bored. What's going on, Steve? Good to see you, bro. What's going on, Steve? Jordan has broken the market. Yeah, pretty much. All right, let's continue on. So, like we said, hourly's kind of boring. Not really much to say on this, right? No bearish divergence. No bullish divergence. Just you're below all your EMAs still, right? So, nothing's really changed there, as I kind of would say. Same thing in the 4-hour time frame. We broke black below the 20 and the 50, but we did that in the last move and wicked to the bottom and just continued up. So I'm not going to take too much precedence on the EMAs at the moment on the 4-hour time frame either, man. Right? The whole world loves a clown. Yes. All right, let's continue on. So this, like I said, we got to break out of this at some point. This is technically a bearish pattern, right? If we want to give the bears their heyday, which I do, but you know, sometimes you have to say that this is true. You guys know I want to kick all the bears in the nuts, just like that. Boom! All the bears in the nuts. I want to do it, but it is what it is. We still got to wait for the breakdown of this, but we could see a little bit more sideways action before we do, guys. Same thing on this. Like we said, like this is a huge resistance level, guys. Huge resistance level coming in right here about 47K. Right, we have the highest volume on the volume profile here. Right, we have the 382 Fibonacci coming in right here, right at about 47K as well. So this is a very, very important area, man. Very, very important area. But if we do break this, I see the 0.5 Fibonacci coming in right at about 51K. Let's get it. That's where I see Bitcoin going next, man.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
I see 51K coming in next as soon as this little consolidation is over, man. Feed me bear hopium. We can do that. Jordan is like a father to me. Dave said there's tornadoes around me in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Been watching Ryan Hall. There's tornadoes around you? Oh, God. Don't tell... tornadoes? Tornadoes? Don't be saying that, man. Is Miami going to 0? Miami rug pull? Mia? Oh, Miami coin. We can check out Miami coin, man. Don't be talking about tornadoes, man. You gotta scare Bob. Fortunately, Bob is... I don't know what happened to Bob, man. He usually is under fat face. But he's not under there. He's usually under fat face. Bob! Bob! Yeah, Bob's not in here, guys. It's slightly pissing me off. Who the hell is this guy? Tornadoes! No! Oh my God, I hear one. I hear one coming. Oh God. God. There's a tornado. Whoa. I don't know who this guy is, but I kind of like him. I kind of like his eyes. Very weird, very weird. Bob FOMO. Anyways, let's continue on. So, weekly time frame, still just chilling above the 50-week moving average, man. We want to hold the 50-week moving average. I don't want to break back below that on a weekly close, man. But we're still sitting below there. Not much has changed. It's kind of a boring week, guys. Not much has changed. I mean, you're kind of just chilling. You're just chilling. Really, the last 2 weeks, you're just chilling. But sitting right above the 50 moving average. Let's see if we can just continue the back test and the continuation up, right? But it's going to be an interesting close coming up this week, right? Very, very interesting close. If we close below, historically, that's not a very good sign. But all remains to be seen. It remains to be seen what Bitcoin's going to do. Let's wait till the end of the week. Overall, we're still waiting for a break of this downtrend of resistance on the RSI for the weekly, right? Still haven't done that yet. Still just patiently waiting. 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4 touches. Still waiting for a move back up to the upside, man. BTC chilling a little bit too much? Yeah, it's a boring day, man. It's super boring. What else is going on? Listen, It might be a boring day on the short-term time frames, guys, but I'm still excited for these long-term time frames, right? It's times like this where everyone, once again, is going to get boarded out. Everyone's going to get bearish again. If Bitcoin drops like 5% from the highs, everyone's bearish, right? How much is Bitcoin down from the highs at the current moment? Bitcoin is down a whopping, from the wick down to the downside. Bitcoin is down a whopping 4.87%. Guys, chill the frick out, man. It's like Bitcoin drops a little bit and the sky's friggin' falling. Bitcoin's down 4.8% from the highs that it had back on March 28th. Chill the heck out, guys. We're okay. All right? God damn. Bitcoin's allowed to chill for a couple days. It's allowed to come down for a couple days if it wants to. Chill the heck out, guys. God damn. Chill out. But it's boring. It is boring. Not bearish, and I'm still super excited, as Crypto Rover would say. Crypto Rover is super excited. Where's my guy, Crypto Rover? Here he is. I am super excited on the charts right now. Do you guys see the charts right now? Oh my god. The charts are going absolutely nuts. Do you guys see Bitcoin breaking out of this 5-minute time frame wedge to the upside? Next target is 58K, guys. Bitcoin's going straight to 58K. Do you see my leveraged long position over on Bybit? Yes, I love Carl the Moon. Me and Carl the Moon tuck every day together. Yes, I love Carl the Moon. I love that martini guy. Me and him tuck as well. Oh my gosh, we're going straight to the upside. I'm super excited. Super excited that we're going to the upside. Super excited. Oh god, man. But anyways, I don't try to sound like that, but I am excited for the weekly time frame. It still looks super juicy. We want to see the stock RSI topped out. We want to see market cipher get up higher. We want to see the MACD cross bullish, and we've gotten every single one of them, baby.
We're going to 100K tomorrow.
Okay, so even though the short-term time frames are pretty boring, the weekly still looks super exciting, and that's what matters. Stop focusing on the hourly. Zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the longer-term time frames, okay? Still just a nice W reversal at the moment, too, guys, where we have we had basically, right? We know we love these W bottoms. Bitcoin loves to make the W bottoms and the M tops. We have the swing low, swing back up high, swing back low, come back up above. It looks like just so far a back test. Looks like a back test of the neckline, which was 45,832, right? That looks like a back test before a continuation back to the upside, all right? That's all it looks like to me. It was actually a nice Adam and Eve bottom too, where you had the V bottom, then the rounded bottom. Nice Adam and Eve bottom too, right? So I like what I see in the weekly time frame. Zoom out, stop looking at the hourly and the 15-minute, and bada bing, bada boom. But most of all, that is what we're doing. Did someone say Bybit link? Carl did, man. Carl said the Bybit link, not me. No, that was actually Rover this time. But Carl's here too.
And I'm here to bring you this cryptocurrency video. Bitcoin has fallen out from this falling wedge, and I have made a 100x on my long position over here on Bybit. You guys should go use my Bybit link. Links down in the description.
There's Bob. You guys are asking for Bob.
Bybit link.
No! You like Bybit! You think? You made a 4-minute video! Just kidding. I love Carl, man. I love Carl. You gotta love Carl. Carl's one of the OGs. Even though I don't agree with his videos, okay? He's one of the OGs. You gotta respect Carl. So, basically, my point is, zoom out. Stop getting bearish over the friggin' 4-hour time frame. Chill the heck out, guys. Chill the heck out. You guys get... Man, it's crazy. All the bears want to come out when Bitcoin drops a little bit. There's actually not a lot of bears in the chat, I have to say. It's mostly I just see them on Twitter, man. You still got the rate hike people on Twitter. I love the rate hike people. They crack me up. What the heck is going on with Carl lately? Did you know he has a new YouTube channel? No idea, Elliot. No idea, bro. No idea. What's up, Ellie Kid? You're back, bro. What's up? Best crypto show, hands down. Thank you, Duel and Banjos. We just have fun here, man. Even on the boring days. Like like I said, there's not a ton to talk about today, but we're gonna make the most of it here. All right. You can see here. It's a quick rant alert, guys. You know, there's not much to talk about when I bring up a chart and there's nothing on it. This means that I was trying to find something to put on this chart and I couldn't find anything. Rant alert. That's how you know it's a bad day. I was like before the stream earlier today. Actually, this was earlier today. I was trying to figure out something to put in this chart, and I'm like, dude, everything that we could talk about is already on there. Like, what else could we possibly say? And I got a blank chart here. Literally a blank chart. Literally a blank chart. I guess the one thing I could say about this, I have the volume up here. Volume is coming down here, right? Overall, the volume's coming down. If you want to take it from over here, you certainly can. But volume is decreasing, okay? Now, most people say, that's bearish. That is so bearish. That's bearish.
Bitcoin is bearish.
Papa? Psycho Pro called me Papa. I love it, Psycho Pro. I got you, Papa. I'll call you Papa back. Or Papa, what is it? Papacita? No, it's Mamacita. And Papa, what is it? Papa Chula. I just learned how you say Papa. You know, like, you might be talking to your girl and she might go, oh, what's going on, Papacita? What's going on, Papacita? You know, that's what Melissa would say. Here's Melissa. Clint, are you in here today, buddy? What's going on, mamas? Papa Chulo. Clint. You bald son of a bitch. Clint. Let me rub that salty head. Oh, God. This is getting wrong. All right. Anyways, we're gonna pretend that I didn't say salty head, because that could mean a million different things. Sorry for the kids that are watching the stream. All right, continuing on. So, why I don't care about the volume? You might be saying this, the volume's coming down here. Should we be worried? Typically, I mean, yes, but I'll say is last summertime, okay? Last summer, I'm here. That's my girl. What's up, Clint? Last summer, we saw the same thing. You saw the price coming down here like this, okay? No, but I learned that Papa Cuto? Papa Chulo. Papi Chulo is Mamacita, but the guy version. But the guy version. Oh, okay. No, but we had downtrend in volume coming to last summertime. We know Bitcoin broke out right here, guys. And we just saw the volume just decline the whole way up for BTC. Did BTC care?
Nope.
BTC did not care at all, right? Downtrend of resistance. On the not a downtrend of resistance, but declining volume as the price action came up last summer. We're seeing the same thing right now. I'm seeing everyone saying, there's no volume on this pump. There's no volume on this pump. It does not matter that there is no volume, okay? I want to state that again. It does not matter that there's no volume. I don't want to hear from the volume guys. I don't. Okay? I love everyone in the chat, but the volume guys, they get me going, man. They really get me going. All right? Bay knows what's up. Jordan working on his drag outfit for Vegas. I don't know if I'm bringing the wig, guys. I don't want to bring the wig. I don't want to wear the wig. Oh, no, I said I would for one day. But I still don't want to, guys. Buy a Spanish girl hot Cheetos and she'll marry you. No, Takis. Buy him Takis and she'll marry you. But anyways, continuing on. Just a couple other things we've been looking at, you know. I guess we've been already looking at this a little bit, but this is the MA extension. I will say again, another reason why I think we're bottomed out. This has shown the bottom of pretty much every move since 2018. We have the bottom here in 2018. We have the bottom here in March of 2020 on this indicator. We have the bottom in May 2021, and we have the bottom in January 2022. If you're new to the stream, you may ask, what is this, Jordan? Why are you looking at this random yellow thing on the bottom of the screen? Well, what this basically shows is the extension from the 20-week moving average, right? A 1 on this indicator would mean that you're right at the 20-week moving average, right? And since its inception, every top for BTC has hit the top of this downtrend of resistance, and every support has hit the support of this support. So, you know, we're getting back above here. Let's see what happens. But overall, I still believe we hit the macro bottom. We are going up from here. I'm very passionate about it because I love my long-term charts, and my long-term charts look super, super sexy, even though the short-term charts are looking a little boring, okay? The long-term charts still look sexy as a mamacita, okay? They really, really do. Denise said Takis are bomb. Yes, they are bomb. I confirmed today that I actually like the red ones more than the blue ones. I usually like the blue Takis more than the red Takis, but I have confirmed today that the red Takis are, in fact, better than the blue Takis, hands down. Let me know if you disagree. Actually, let's do a poll. I don't know if you guys ever had Takis. We'll do a poll. Best Takis. I only know 2 of them. We have the red Takis, we have the blue Takis, and we have never had Takis. Let me know. Let me go in the chat, guys. Let me know on the poll right there. But anyways, what's Bitcoin doing? 45,745. Bitcoin's not really doing anything. Doge, guys. What we see. All right. Doges. All the Doges in the chat. Since Bitcoin's doing nothing, we're going to get the Vikings out for Doge because Doge is really the only thing that really moved today to the upside. At least on my list here. There's probably other ones that moved on CoinMarketCap. We'll check those out. But overall, guys, I need all my Vikings in the chat, baby. For all the Doges out there, we're in this together. Okay? What? If we're in this together, okay? What bathwater? I'm gonna ignore that question, man. I'm gonna ignore that question. We want Doge. We want for the Doges. For all the good of crypto. We want the Dogers to break the 200-day EMA here. All right? So I need all the Vikings in the chat, right? Let's reunite. This will be good for crypto. Let's get some retail to FOMO in Doge, okay? I don't own Doge, so I am not a part of this. But let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Doges! Unite! We will break this 200-day EMA to the upside. It is a mere resistance that we will break. It is a blue line. You think a blue line can hold back the Doges? Well, you're sorry, mistaken. We are the strongest Vikings in all the lands, and we will break the 200-day EMA on Doge. So spam the swords, spam the shields in the chat, and smack that like button if you like Jordan. If you do not like Jordan, well, you guys can hit that like button or dislike button all you want. Joke's on you. It helps the stream anyways. Joke's on you. All right, for the Doges. Let's break this out of close. We got 30 minutes until the close. Let's get back above that. We've had some trouble with that all the way since, actually November, since the last time we were in like kind of a bullish trend. So let's get back above that for the Doges here. All right. That's where Bob is. He's on the front line. Bob is on the front line today. That's why he's not here today. He's fighting on the front line. Imagine Bob like fighting, just going, ah. He's having a ton of fun, man. All right, so we can check out, Bitcoin being boring as always, like it usually is on the stream. But, touche. What's the 15-minute doing on BTC? Let's see. The 15-minute. Any juicy things going on here? Not really, man. Not really any clues. Bitcoin's giving us no clues, man. It's annoying. It's really, really annoying. But anyways, that's Doge. 17.11 for Doge. We want to get a close above 16.99. You can call it 17 cents in general for the 200-day EMA. Sword and Shield. Doge will explode this year when they launch Doge 2. Let's find out, man. All right, so SHIB's actually coming up a little bit too. I mean, nothing crazy. It's actually funny on my list. The only 2 coins that are up are Doge and SHIB. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought? A couple months ago, I said these are 2 pieces of SHIBs. But, they're not doing too bad. SHIB's coming up a little bit. What I like about SHIB, I know we're kind of about talking about dog coins today, but what I like about SHIB is SHIB's above all its moving average. Now, be careful. It's done this before. You guys can see right here, Doge is the exact same thing. You got back all above all the moving averages and then spammed back down. What I think is a little bit different this time is you got back above all your moving averages again, but you actually got a nice wick to the 200-day EMA. Where down here, you were way too overextended from the 200-day EMA. But now get a nice wick. Now we're looking for a continued move to the upside on SHIB. Whenever Bitcoin decides to stop crapping the bed, not crapping the bed, but at least do something, I think SHIB could have another move to the upside too. Let's have patience with SHIB. I think you'll see a move out for SHIB too. All right. Let's see what else going on here. So, what are you guys asking for here? Is Miami coin going to zero? Check out Miami coin. I haven't looked at that chart in I don't even know how long, man. Dale the whale sighting? The whale sighting? Wait, do I see Dale? Do I see Dale coming across the screen? Oh my god, is that Dale or is that Dale or is that Jabba? I can't tell. Is that Dale or Java? Dale, you better be buying the dip if that's you, man. All right, let's look at Miami coin. I think that was that might have been Java. I don't know. Let's see. Crypto Miami coin. See what's going down. Rug pull. Oh God. R.I.P. Miami coin. See ya, bro. See ya. Miami coin. It was nice to know you, brother. It was very, very nice to know you, Miami coin. But you have been sacrificed. God. Man. Everyone was so bullish on you. But now you are dead. Dead to all of us, breaking new lows. About to get the lowest close of all time. It's been nice to know you, Miami coin. This thing sucks. Just keep going down. What else say about this, though, guys? What else say about this? Hold on. Okay. Here comes Java. No, Java! Why did I short this? Come on, man! Bitcoin's boring. Why didn't anyone tell you about Miami coin? It sucks. I love coins that suck. Come on, chat. You're supposed to tell me about Miami coin. I love to short crypto. I love shorting the best performing asset class in history. Come on, man. Okay, we're going to act like that did not happen. We're going to act like that did not happen, guys. Even though it did. It clearly did. We're talking about Miami coin. Miami coin, what I'll say about Miami coin, though, is Miami coin actually had kind of has nice bullish divergence forming here. So I know it's like it's one of those things where it's it has to play out for it to play out, but obviously it has to play out for it to play out. But you have to get some upwards pressure here. You can't get even back above the 20 EMA. I mean, you just keep getting rejected off the 20 EMA. You have some bullish div though, right? If there's ever a time for Miami coin to build some momentum, this would be it. Though this one just keeps going down and down and down. I can't say I have any confidence in this one bouncing, man. I can't say I have any confidence, but this one's RIP'd, man. RIP'd.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
RIP, man. Everyone panic.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Miami coin's going down. But if there's ever a time for this to bounce, this would be it. If you want to look at next targets to the downside, if this does continue down, which the trend is your friend until the end, right? Next target to the downside in the daily is back down to the 1.618, back down to 0.002. That's crazy on Miami coin. RIP Miami coin, man. This is going to need to play out prior to playing out. Facts. All right, let's see. Can you look at H bar? I got you, Stas. Let's look at H bar. H bar. Let's see H bar. This is not a good chart on H bar. Let's see. Let's do this one. Oh yeah. Hedera. So Hedera's getting that pullback. We know that most altcoins, guys, most altcoins needed pullbacks, man. I mean, Hedera had a pretty nice rally from about 19 cents up to about 28 cents with no really pullback there. It's getting that pullback now, which is great, right? You were setting the daily stock RSI, which was topped out. Look at some of the times it's been topped out in the past. It did reach a relative peak, right? So nice reset there. Daily RSI also resetting nicely. It's what you want to see. It's what you want to see. Now, if we look at what could happen next, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what could be happening here for Hedera. So you got sort of this wedge formation. I like this wedge formation that's forming here on Hedera, man. You got lower highs, you got lower lows coming in a beautiful falling wedge. Shout out to the falling wedge. Let me guys know if you like the falling wedge.
Nothing has changed.
Nothing has changed. I will always like the falling wedge. Breakout target is to the top of the wedge, back up towards the top at 27 cents, man. So I like what's forming there. It's quite beautiful if you ask me. 4-hour stock RSI is bottoming out. You're right at the 200-day EMA. I love this for a bounce back up to testing the top. 204-hour EMA coming in there. 4-hour stocks bottomed out. And you're in a wedge formation right at support. So I like this to come back up and at least test the top of the resistance level, okay? Back up towards the 24.1 cents level. But overall, I like this to bounce back up. I like this to bounce back up on this beautiful, beautiful falling wedge formation with a target back up towards 27 cents on the short term. Nice stuff. Nice stuff there in Hedera. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's still just chilling, guys. Still just chilling on Captain BTC. I got you, Stas. Vincent said Shiba. We did Shiba already. Shiba. We can do a closer look at Shiba, though. Doges keep going for all the Doges, man. All the Doges in the chat. Shiba keeps going, too. So Shiba, let's do Shiba real quick. We'll do a deeper analysis on Shiba. 4 hour for Shiba is... it had a massive fake out there. Look at this massive fake out on Shiba. Look at that, man. All right, it might just be a back test now. But you had a nice consolidation here. You had higher lows coming in, lower highs. You got a nice move to the upside. You pulled back. Now what you're hoping for is just a back test, right? You see the downtrend of resistance. You get a nice pump to the upside, back test to the 24-hour EMA. Now you're looking for a bounce and continuation back to the upside. I like what I'm seeing there on Shiba for a continuation up. We just hope that Bitcoin doesn't shoot the bed, which you never know. But Shiba's technical target there to the upside on the 4 hour would be upwards of 0.000000000. It's too many zeros, man. Where's Bob when you need him, bro? Where's Bob when you need him? Where the heck is Bob? Where the heck is Bob right now? Jordan! You know where Bob is! He's fighting with the other Dogers. You're just too much of a pussy to go and fight with Bob. You're friggin'... I know you're my son, but you're a friggin' pussy. You're not out there fighting with the other Dogers. But Mom, I'm not a Doger. Why would I be fighting with the Dogers? Why would I be fighting with the Dogers? I'm not a Doger. Well, you should be. You see, Bob, I knew Bob was my smartest son. I knew Bob was my smartest son. He likes Doge. Look at Doge today. Look at all your coins, Jordan. They suck. I knew he's my smartest son. Screw Karen, man. Screw Karen. Shiba's kick. No, but Bob's on the front lines fighting. But no, Shib. Shib, that's the target for Shib. That is the target for Shib. We're back on the daily. Yeah, daily looks like consolidating for another move up. I see Shib coming up too. A puss. Good Doge, man. Doge! What's going on, Gandhi? Love you, man. Doge, man. What's going on, Jeff? ETH price is expected to be 67K, so why isn't it a good time to buy? It's always a good time to buy ETH and Bitcoin. I'm not going to shy away from saying that. It is always a good time to buy ETH and BTC. Always, 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 always. All right, so Shiba. Let's do Vulcan Forge. Vulcan Forge. Doge continues up, though. We want to get the close above the 200-day EMA for everyone that's interested in Doge. Vulcan Forged. Let's see. On Vulcan Forge. Thanks for the super chat, Psycho. All right, so Vulcan Forge. What's going on here, man? Big move up. I mean, just like a lot of other alts, this is gonna have a pullback at some point soon. But is the pullback over? Are you just coming back down to test your W reversal highs? Definitely could be. Definitely could be. Look at this, right? You had your basically Adam and Eve bottom. Okay, a lot of alts did this Adam and Eve bottom where they had one quick low, V bottom shape recovery. We had the round out, okay, and then we had the break of the neckline, which was back up here at about 1666, where you happen to be sitting right at the moment, right? And then you have the back test. The question is, the big question of the day is, right?
Bruh.
Is this going to be a back test and a continuation up? Or do you need a little bit more consolidation? Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hours showing some hefty bearish div. Hefty bearish div. You know, actually, like multiple, right? You have higher highs, you got lower highs coming in. So hefty bearish divergence here with a little bit of a rising wedge. So if you take it for what it is a bearish setup, okay? It is a bearish setup for a pullback, but crypto's crypto, and it is what it is. But if I had to take it from a simple, you know, how I would look at this, let's go back in the past. Let me actually do a fib level from the swing low to the swing high. Yeah, the 618. It makes a lot of sense to come back down to the 618. So the 618 also happens to be the previous highs right there. The previous wick high right here. And also, if you look left, previous support levels looking left, right? Which is also the wick on the daily time frame right here, which is the previous highs in the daily close. So it makes a lot of sense to come back down to like 1505 there for Vulcan before continuation up. Just for a little pullback, reset some of those indicators, man. BTC still showing at 45,778. What's ETH doing? ETH is chilling at 34, 36. Super bearish as always. ETH is so bearish, guys. ETH is so bearish. I am George. We're all George. Guys, today we're going to talk about how I am super bullish on Ethereum and why a lot of these other projects are looking very good, but you should not turn your eye on Ethereum, okay? Ethereum is just super bullish, guys. I love Ethereum. We obviously know we have E2.0 coming out at some point soon. We never really know with that. It gets pushed back every year. We also have, you know, tons of different things. I mean, TVL is great. I mean, you got a ton of good things going on in Ethereum, guys. You should be investing in Ethereum. Nothing else, okay? Absolutely nothing else. Let's play my bell. Let's play my bell. Ding! I love that bell, guys. I love that bell. Isn't it so funny? But we have so many good things going on with Ethereum. So keep your eye on Ethereum. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. When moon, okay? When moon. This was me when I was younger, guys. This is me when I was younger. When moon. ETH is gonna move very soon, guys. Very soon. All right. That's all I have for you guys today. See you guys later. Adios. Thank you, George. Thank you, George. No Q&A from George today, apparently. I don't know why. No, but ETH is kind of going sideways like BTC, guys. You know what I mean? Just kind of going sideways. Jorge. But you're right at support, right? 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. But overall, ETH is pretty much just going sideways, right? Yep. You're stuck between 3,500 and 3,400, really. Not much has changed for ETH, as we would say. V-Chain? Oh, man. Why are you guys saying Jorge? Does that look like Jorge? God damn. I don't even know what that means, guys. That's a stupid question. I'm not answering that. That's always my favorite thing. I watch George every day. I love George. Dueling Banjos came a member. What's going on, Dueling Banjos? What's up, man? He said, bro, what's up? With Hex fanboys on Twitter getting bashed all day from one comment. Jeez. Hex? How's Hex doing these days? I have no idea. I haven't looked at Hex in so long. Let's go look at Hex. Let's go look at the Hexicans. What's going on with Hex? Getting bashed. They're getting bashed. How many people bought Hex at the top? Let me know in the chat. If you're bullish enough to let me know if you guys actually bought Hex at the top. What I'll say about Hex, though, is like, just like with the rest of the market, it's going to bounce back. It's going to bounce back, right? You had sort of a wedge formation that did break to the upside. Back tested, okay? Nicely back tested on the daily time frame, the 20 EMA. Continued up. And now you're kind of just consolidating, right? If you actually look, what the heck is this chart, man? Hold on. Find a better one. Hex. There it is. Now you're just kind of consolidating. And this looks like kind of a bull flag before a continuation up. Right? You got lower highs, lower lows after a run to the upside. Typically is a bull flag. All right? If we take, say, you know, the bull flag formation, take it from the swing lows to the swing highs, and we extrapolate that to where we break out, it's going to give us a target of all the way back up towards 20 cents for Hex. Well, this is Hex Spot, but I assume it's going to be the same thing on that other chart. Yeah, same thing on that chart. So, you know, I know Hex gets bashed sometimes, but it is what it is. All right, Bitcoin's coming down a little bit here. Bitcoin's coming down, guys. Here we go. Yes! I've been waiting for this all day! Finally! Oh my gosh! This is great! Screw you, bulls! I told you to short! You had your chance to short! You should have shorted the best performing asset of all time! That's your own fault! That's your own damn fault! Let's go! Woo! Look at all the bulls salty in the chat. I love them! Yes! Yes!
Nope.
Alright guys, we're ending the show. See you later, man. I can't take Java, guys. I can't take Java. We're ending the show. See ya.
Nope.
I'm just playing around. I'm just playing around, man. But Bitcoin is coming down here. Bitcoin is coming down. Feels amazing, man. Tomorrow we're going to look at the DXY. Tomorrow? We're going to look at it today, brother. Today. So we did Hex. Feels amazing, man. Feels bad. All right, let's see if Bitcoin can hold this. We got support here. We got a couple support levels, guys, we can watch. So Bitcoin's coming down a little bit. We're looking for support at a couple different levels. I mean, we have a wick low right here at about 45,546. That breaks. Probably coming back down to test the next wicks at 45,124. So short term, it's what we're watching. Overall, just a big consolidation pattern here, really. You know what I mean?
You must cross the course cow across a crowded cow crossing. Cross the course cow across
What?
a crowded cow crossing carefully.
Big Papa Bear. I'm going to read that as fast as I can in a second, but I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this, man. But overall, like, Bitcoin's coming back down. What I'll say is I wouldn't get too bearish right now, guys. I wouldn't get too bearish. Chill out. Bitcoin, worst case, in my opinion, comes back down. Test this support again, right? Which would be awesome, actually. A quick wick below this would be awesome. 4-hour stocks are going to be bottomed out, right? If daily keeps coming down, daily's getting pretty low here on the stocks, too. You have a little bit lower we can go, but we are getting down there, too. We're coming right at support again. Let's see what happens. But I wouldn't be getting super bearish at the moment. Chill. Take a chill pill. Do some komasa. Why am I still in Jabba's room? Why am I still in Jabba's room, man? This is dumb. Hold on. God damn. Why am I still in Jabba's room? But do some komasa. We'll be okay. We will be okay, guys. If you do komasa, you'll be okay. Do some breathing exercises. Okay? Do some breathing exercises, guys. We will be okay, guys. All right, 45,510. So Bitcoin's coming down a little bit here. All right, we're breaking that first support. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Everyone panic.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
We're done. We're done for. This is it. This is it. Mike Saylor, Duquan spies on the exchanges and pumps the price. Saylor buys OTC and gets wrecked. Yeah, I mean, every time Saylor buys, we tend to dump. So that actually tend to be a common factor here. 45,340. So Bitcoin's coming down a little bit, guys. All right. Let's see if we can hold these previous wicks now. The previous wickage. The little wickage. If that breaks, well, you know, you have a couple of levels we could watch here. I would say if that breaks, yeah, another level here about 44,737. But let's see, right? Let's see what happens here at the close. We got 8 minutes till the daily close. Maybe we get some nice little puppets going into the close here. You know what I mean? I may nibble at 44, definitely at 40K, said Joseph. He said he might nibble. Who says nibble? I might nibble at 40K. I might nibble at 44. All right, let's do VeChain. VeChain. I'm assuming most alts are probably coming down. Looks like Doge is chilling. Where's VeChain? Where's my guy Vet? Vet's down about 4% today. Are we nicely resetting? Yeah, man. This is what we needed for a lot of altcoins, man. I mean, I know I kept saying, like, I'm not going to call for a pullback. And I'm not going to call for a pullback. So when things are bullish, I'm not calling for pullbacks. But we saw the charts that we were getting a little bit overheated on a lot of these coins. And we're getting that nice little consolidation, man. It's very, very nice. Daily stocks are coming down for VeChain here. Daily RSIs were setting nicely. 4 hour, look at the 4 hour time frame. Just in a consolidation. We've seen this a million different times for VeChain especially. You guys can see we're just getting lower highs. And we are getting, I mean, you could argue, I guess, it could be some sort of descending triangle formation. We actually might be right at support right now if you take out of the wicks. So you're right at support right now. What I'll say is, it's got a little bit more room to run down to the downside if it wants to. But, you know, for what I see, could you come down a little bit lower and actually make this into just a bull flag here over the course of time? Definitely think you could. Something like this. Just make this into a bull flag here. Come down a little bit lower. Come down to maybe about 7.5 cents. It's probably also going to be a fib level. Yes, you're right at the 618. But the 786 is sitting right down here. 786 retracement from swing low to swing high is sitting right there at about 7.3 cents. I think you can see 7.3 cents there for VeChain, right? And just kind of continue this bull flag, resetting the 4 hour, resetting the 4 hour stocks, and then continuing back up to the upside, all right? But it looks like just a continuation pattern over the course of time. I know it's scary. Every time it dumps, it's scary, and you want to sell, right? But that's the nature of the game, man. That's the nature of the game. Just another little happy buying opportunity. Yeah, it's great. I mean, at some point, buying gets old. Well, I guess it doesn't. The more you buy, the more money you make, I guess, right? Dueling Banjo. What's up, dude? Appreciate you coming member again. Andy, what's going on, man? Appreciate the super chat, dude.
Come get some safe, Moon Hat.
Come get some safe, Moon Hat. It's like the only saying that I can say in I think that's a UK accent. Come get some safe, Moon Hat. Come get some safe, Moon Hat. It's the only saying I can say in that. All right, Big Papa Bear. Here we go, man. He said, if you must cross a cross cow across a crowded cow crossing, cross the course cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. What does that even mean, man? What does that even mean? That's crazy. The thing I love most is scared traders. Scared traders, Drew. You gotta love the scared traders. You gotta love the scared traders, man. When they're shivering in their gymborees. You can tell how uneasy the market is right now, because every time the market dumps a little bit, I mean, you can tell the disbelief in the market, man. Every time the market dumps a little bit right now, you can just see it. You can see it in people's tweets. You can see it in people's chats. You can see it in their eyes, right? You can see it in their eyes. But I know one person who still knows what's going to happen, guys, right? Who's the one guy who knows what's going to happen, all right? Our Messiah. Who is our Messiah, guys? Well, you guys remember who he was. We haven't seen him in a while. Here he comes. Oh, God. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. No, here he comes, guys. Oh, he's taking over my body. No! What's going on, guys? It's Plan B. Do not underestimate the stock to flow ratio. We will pump back up to the upside. Do not undermine Plan B. Who do you think you are? Stock to flow ratio will play out to the upside. 69K in May is guaranteed. There's no sell in May and go away. My name is Plan B. Plan BS. Pathfinder said Plan BS. I can't. Okay, I can't do it. You said Plan BS. Remember when we all thought he was like our Messiah because he was getting everything right? Plan B back in the day, man. We all thought like he was just like, God, it was coming back down. Hold on, let me blow my nose here. Plan B. Now there's some guy named Plan C who's trying to be like the next Messiah. It's great, man. Plan C. I think we're on Plan Z at this point. You know, there's no plan. Bitcoin does not have a plan, man. Plan B. Plan B. Oh, God, man. Matt Damon. Drew said I'm Plan X. Nice. Nice. Don't listen to his lies. I have 5 children because of Plan B. Because you took Plan B? God, man. That's funny. That's really, really funny. All right. Anything chilling right now? Doge. All right. Let's look at some other stuff. So we have... we looked at that yesterday. Let's look at the DXY. DXY is coming up right now in the weekly time frame. I want to continue to see weekly closes below this, right? We still got a long week. We still got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, so actually, we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? So we still got 5 more closes left in the week, right? Where will the DXY close? We want to get the weekly close below this trend line. We still have the bearish divergence, right? And we know if you're new to crypto, when the DXY goes down, that's typically good for crypto. When the DXY goes up, that's typically bad for crypto. In theory, okay? Last couple weeks haven't really been that, but touche. We have some bearish divergence. Why is that important? Well, the 3 last tests have started the previous bull trends, right? Test here, 2018 bull run, 2020 bull run. Now we're at that same level again. Let's see if it holds. If it doesn't, well, we could be due for some upside on the DXY, all right? If that breaks on a weekly close, could be coming back up to test these levels, back up towards like $102 on the DXY. What else do we got? Tether dominance. Tether dominance is getting a pretty big run up today, but that's okay. This is a level that has gotten a bounce back on the Tether dominance before. Let me actually go to the daily on Tether dominance. Just a quick synopsis on my theory here on the Tether dominance. Every time it goes up to this level here at about right around 5%, it does get a rejection. Same thing, 2020 bull run, 2021 bull run, and now we just got that rejection a couple of weeks ago, which has started kind of the next rally here. My theory, again, is, this is going to start the next run, which it already has. The next run has already started. It's the same thing that happened last summer, right? Uptrend of support on Tether. This broke to the downside. You got literally a bounce at the same exact level right here at about 3.74%, which then that eventually broke back down, okay? You actually came back up to test the 20 EMA, got rejected, continued back down. Look exactly what's happening this time again. You got, right, a bounce off this same level that you did in the last summer. Now you're coming back up to test the 20 EMA. All right, my theory is you're going to get a rejection here and then continue back down here over the course of the next couple days. Could take a couple more days, but that's my theory. A continuation back down and a continued run for crypto back up to the upside. Just my theory. Take it for what you will. That's what I'm betting on here. Okay. Bitcoin's coming down though. 45,415. We just got the daily close for Bitcoin. We closed at a measly. Actually, we closed at a measly 45,000. What is it? 493. Sorry, so Bitcoin's coming down here. Here we go, guys. See ya.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
We're coming back down. 45,354. Let's see. Drew said, I kind of think we're going to come down a little bit before BTC Miami, then have a pump for the event, get FOMO to start, then correct. Just what I'm thinking. True, man. I can see that. I can see that for sure. A lot of these events, you kind of get little sell-offs beforehand. That's kind of my thinking too. I don't know if how low Bitcoin goes, but my thing, at least a couple more days of consolidation. A couple more days of consolidation at the very, very least, could definitely be due, and I think that would be good. Right? Get some of these indicators reset, man. Let's see if we get a bounce here. We're coming up to our triangle support. Will our triangle support hold, guys? That's the question right now. Andy said, hola, Jordan. Love the show. Can you check out VRA? Absolutely, brother. I got you on that. Will the support hold? All right? I don't want to hear all the bottom feeders coming in here right now, getting all pumped. You guys, don't get too excited just yet. I told you 20K Bitcoin's coming. I told you my orders are getting filled. Look at these guys. All getting so pumped in the chat. Look at all these bulls in the chat. We're coming back down, man. We are coming back down. 20K is on the menu. Okay, I have all my orders set down there. I'm not buying anything before we get down there. That's why they call me the bottom feeder. All right? Who else is a bottom feeder in the chat? I don't DCA. I go all in at the bottom. Yeah, man, I told you. I told you it's coming. Chill out.
Rant alert.
Don't get all up in arms just yet, man. We're going to be okay. We're going to be okay, guys. You know? We're going to be okay. Think about everything we've been through. Think of everything we've been through on this channel. All right? I know all coins are down from their highs. Okay? But, I've always said, Bitcoin is the barometer of crypto. Bitcoin's at 46K. 46,000 US dollars per coin. Okay? In the end of the day, Bitcoin goes up and to the right. Short-term time frames are short-term time frames. Have a long-term view. You gotta be okay. Okay? You gotta be okay. Chill out. Let's have a chill pill, man. Sexy. Jay Cricket is. Bottom fetus. The bull market always has a what? A lot. Bitcoin's crashing. Let's see if we hold this though. 50 EMA in the daily. Back down to 44.7. Could be a possibility. That was actually the level we had. 50 EMA is actually this one. So you get the 50 EMA is actually all the way back down at 43K. You know, if it took us a few days to get back up there while this comes back up, right? Say we consolidate, we kind of consolidate back down like this, right? Back out, 50 EMA comes up, you know, over time. You know, hopefully it just takes some consolidation for a continue move up. But you got a lot of support here. You get the 200-day EMA, you get the 20 EMA coming in here on the daily. You get a lot of support coming in right above this 44.5 level, which we talked about is should be good support for BTC, right? At 44.5. In theory, if we even go that low, right? Who knows? If we even go that low. Well, let's find out, man. Let's find out. Let's hear what the Bank of Canada has to say. Sure, man.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam.
This is what I picture the Bank of Canada guy
Cryptocurrency
looking
is
like.
clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Wait, you guys weren't supposed to hear that. I hope BitBoy didn't hear that. Oh, God. I'm supposed to be bullish for the channel. I'm TJ. Oh, God. I hope BitBoy didn't hear that. Oh, God. Here he comes. Here he comes. I can hear him from downstairs walking up the stairs. Oh, God. No. No. TJ, did you just say that Bitcoin is a scam? Here at BitBoy Crypto, we are supposed to be bullish. We are supposed to get people in the market. We're not supposed to be bearish, TJ. We're not supposed to call Bitcoin a scam. We are the best channel in the interwebs. We can't be the best channel in the interwebs if you're going to be like that. Come here. Come here. Get in your cage. TJ, get in your cage. Get in your cage right now, TJ. Get in your cage right now. But BitBoy. I don't want to go in the cage. I'm my own man. God, man. So dumb. It's so dumb. All right. 45, 334. Coming down at test support. Bitcoin's coming down, boy. Coming down, boy. It's a Ponzi.
It's a fraud. It's a Ponzi. I agree completely. I call it a Ponzi with no one in.
All right, let's check out Veracity. While Bitcoin's dumping here, looks like VeChain is breaking that 6-1, that golden pocket zone. Still looking for a move back down to 7.3 cents for VeChain. That's the 786 fib. Kind of what we said earlier, right? Let's check out Veracity though. Veracity. All right, let's check out Veracity. So, Veracity is TJ needs therapy. Veracity is breaking the 50 EMA on the 4-hour, right? Are we going to see that move back up to the 200 EMA, 204-hour EMA? It's a lot of confluence at that level, man. A lot of confluence at that level. Let's take a look. What's at that level? What's up, Smiles? Been up at 100K, now down. Now down. Hey, it is what it is, Smiles. It happens, bro. That's why your name's Smiles, man. You're positive. Your name is literally Smiles. How could you not be positive? I love it. I love it, Smiles. If everyone is as positive as Smiles, the world would be a great place, right? It would be a great, great place. Commercials. You guys in the commercials. I feel like you guys are trolling me with the commercials, man. You guys are trolling me with that. But VRA. Look at the 204-hour EMA. Now, we're probably not going to go straight down there. So take it for what you will. But you have the previous highs coming in right here, right? Previous high, 204-hour EMA coming in right at that level. And you're breaking the 50. Now, let's see where the 4-hour closes. This is a fresh 4-hour candle. So this could end up just being a wick. If we get a 4-hour close below the 50 EMA, there could be a hot shot. You come back down and test somewhere in that range, right? Somewhere at range. Come back down, take this candle down here. So let's see what happens. Let me actually go to the daily, see what's going on in the daily. The daily is, daily needs a little bit reset there. And you also got the 50 EMA on the daily coming in right at that level too. So you get a lot of confluence there. Let me just do a fib. See if there's anything sitting there. Yeah, the 0.5 fib is also sitting there. So you got a lot of stuff going on in that range. A lot of stuff going on in that range. Right around 2.4 cents. So I think VRA can come back and test that before a continuation up. You know? Before a little continuation up. Because this was kind of a... You gotta see where we close. Let's wait till we close. Like, we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves here. Let's wait to see where we close. Because right now, you had resistance at the top side, horizontal, and you had uptrending support level. If this holds right here, which the 4-hour stocks are getting bottomed out, you know what I mean? Let's see. So it all depends on the 4-hour close you're about to get. The 4-hour close is below this, you're probably coming down. 4-hour close is above this. You know, I like the shot of coming back up and testing the highs again. But it all depends. A lot of it depends on Bitcoin too, you know what I mean? Shout out to Smiles though in the chat. All right, 45,196. We're going down, boy. We're going down.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
Holy moly. Let's see. Looking for a George ad? Your stream ended. No way, man. Trolls are back. Here come the trolls. No troll man just had an ad interrupt your stream about 3 minutes ago? Really, man? I don't know why YouTube's been doing that, guys. I apologize. I hate ads too. You know, midstream ads though. Like, what kind of crap is that? You know, in the beginning it's one thing, but midstream ads. Oh, come on, bro. Stop it, YouTube. I need to speak to the YouTube manager, man. I'm sick of this crap. You're ruining everyone's experience. God damn it. YouTube. I need to speak to the manager of YouTube right now. I need to speak to him right now. Okay? Why are my viewers, my son's viewers, why are they getting ads in the midstream, man? Why are they getting them? This is ridiculous, YouTube. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this again. Me too, midstream. Kicked off stream. You guys are trolling, man. You're trolling me. Let's see. Oh, looks like people are getting kicked off. Go home, folks. Let's see. Let's see. You guys good? You guys good? Let me know in the chat. Stop it, Jordan. Don't do that. It's because I was banging on the table. There's someone annoying below who likes to hit on the ceiling whenever there's noise. Okay? She tends to do it a lot. But it's okay, man. It's okay. She can do that all she wants. It def froze for me a minute. Let's see. You guys are good? All right, I think you guys are good. I'm just gonna continue, man. I'm just gonna continue. Everyone's getting crap. Come on, YouTube, you're killing me, bro. Let's see. I think everyone's good. You guys are good? Johnny boy, refresh, guys, refresh. We'll continue here. We'll continue, even though it's going down. So 45, 130 for BTC. We coming down again. Bitcoin is dropping like a rock. Come on, man. Do, 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 do. Someone said it's 8:15. What the fuck? Hey, I agree. You can't walk around in your own place, I guess. You know? You can't make noise. You can't dance. You know? But you can cook and hammer chicken during the day. That's okay. You can stomp on chicken. You can yell like a friggin' bozo. That's okay. It's ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. And we're back. Jimmy Fallon. All right, so 45,081. We coming down, man. We coming down. Jabba's getting excited in his room again, guys. This is ridiculous. I don't want to see Jabba happy, guys. This is... I thought this was over. Oh, God. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay. Let's go! Yes! I told you again, Bitcoin's gonna keep smacking support after support after support. All you salty bulls in the chat, look at all you. You guys don't even like me anymore. Look at all you salty bulls. Savvy, this is awesome. Savvy, come on. Guys, Savvy's over. Come on. Savvy, come here. Come here, Savvy. Come on. Thank you, Jabba. Guys, I told you the Elliott waves are coming on. If you guys want to join Team Savvy and Team Jabba, we are shorting Bitcoin all the way back down to 8K. We will be the biggest crypto whales when it's all said and done. Why? Because we're the only ones that believe in Elliott wave theory. Okay? The only ones who believe in Elliott wave theory. Me and Jabba would be rich. Jabba, it freaking smells in here, bro. What have you been eating? You been eating Chinese food? I thought you were quitting. I thought you were trying to lose weight. Oh, you farted? Savvy, don't say that out loud. That's why I was whispering. Oh, God, man. Can I rumble? Jordan is the only person chilling in the stream. Hey, I'm just going to go for it, guys. I don't know what's going on with YouTube tonight, but I'm just going for it, man. You guys are getting ads for no reason. I'm just going to talk, you know? It's nothing I can do, man. Nothing I can do. It's annoying, dude. Commercials. Hey, at least I'm going to make an ad revenue today. If I don't get demonetized, which I might. You never get ads. Hey, what I'll say is, Maya's account, she never gets ads. Why am I still in Jabba's room? She never gets ads. And she doesn't have YouTube Premium. On her phone, on TV, everything. Lax said, Jordan, I caught a lot of resistance between 45 and 46K last week. And you said, don't listen to this guy. When did I say don't listen to this guy? Why did I say that? And Bitcoin broke 40. Bitcoin broke 46K. Lax. Come on, man. A monkey could have said there was a lot of resistance at 46K. Of course there was a lot of resistance at 46K. 46, do you not remember me saying I'm not getting out of bed until Bitcoin breaks 46K? A monkey knew there was resistance at 46K. Come on, Lax. I love you, man. We broke 46K. We went up to 48K. What is your theory here? What is your theory? Of course there's resistance at 46K. Of course there was. She's lying. Never seen an ad? Some people just don't get ads, man. You know, maybe I need to manifest no ads. No. I'm going to have no ads the rest of the stream, guys. No ads. I'm having no ads right now. Bounce time? Let's see. 45,000. When Moon called looking for Jordan. He says he is taking the week off. Oh, God. Bitcoin's breaking 45. Are we going to come back down and take this level here? Man. Next two hopeful support levels are 44.7 and 44.2, right? Where we came back down to wick 2 last time. Let's see if we get a little double bottom action. Could this turn into a big W reversal? I would say that's kind of the hope right now. Is this turns into a big W, right? Continue up, come back down, continue up. A lot of people say it's an M pattern, which it definitely could be. Your hope for a W reversal is holding 44.2, right? 44.2. All right, 44.900. We're coming down, boy. Coming down, boy. Every time it dumps, the stream glitches. God damn, man. I don't know what's going on, guys. Let's see. I'm not getting any ads. Well, I'm going to keep going, guys. I'm going to keep going. I apologize. But we're going to go for this as long as we can. 44.8. Huh? Okay. Well, we got some issues. 44.8. We're just going to keep going, man. 44.8. We're coming back down. All right, 44.7. We're... See if we get a bounce off that level. That was another previous high looking left. Another previous high. And there that one goes. There it goes, man. We're going straight down here. I guess we got some action. It's not fun action. The Bears are like... Michael Saylor, man. It's literally all Michael Saylor. Every time Michael Saylor buys, we get wrecked. Every single time, man. Wrecked. But, hey, guys, these are the times to accumulate. Accumulate. Accumulate, man. These are the times you want to accumulate. I'll say it again. Altcoins coming down right now. You got 7%, 8% down on some altcoins right now. These are the times to accumulate, man. Especially off big moves to the downside. You got to love these moves. You got to love these moves. Wow. It's actually coming down heavy right now. 44.4. Let's see. See if we get a bounce here. The aliens are going to buy BTC. This is not the sweet action I was promised. Well, looks like we're breaking this triangle to the wrong way, right? We broke the triangle, bada bing, bada boom. We broke it to the downside. Let's see what happens, though. Not 100% convinced here. Let's actually take the swing high to the swing low. Extrapolate this down. We would get a move back down to the downside of 41,383 would be the technical target, man. Do I think we come all the way back down there? Nah, I'm not sold on that. I guess I'm never sold on that. But that would be the technical target right now, guys. You gotta love being lied to. Being lied to. What do you want, man? You want a crystal ball? Let me grab my crystal ball from my back, from my lawn out here. What altcoins am I looking to buy, guys? Let's do this. All right, Bitcoin's coming down. We see it. What am I looking to buy? Well, I'm looking at some of my biggest losers here at the moment. Mana's coming down pretty heavy. Mana's down about 8%. Mana's breaking to the downside here. Mana will be one I'm probably looking to pick some up on some Mana. That's coming down pretty heavy there. Let's actually take the swing low to the swing high. See where we're sitting. I'm probably looking to pick some Mana up at the 786 retracement at this point. If by this 4-hour candle we don't retrace back into the golden pocket, I'd probably look back down at the 786 fib, back down towards 236 to accumulate some Mana. What else we got? I know people ask about AVAX. AVAX down about 4%, right at the 204-hour EMA. That's probably not a bad spot for Mana. For AVAX. You know, depending on what BTC does here the rest of the night. Let's take the swing. See, we're sitting on this. Yeah, that's at the 786 retracement also, right at the 204-hour EMA, right at 87.50. It's not a bad spot for some longer-term accumulation for AVAX either after a nice pullback. Daily levels for I would say this. You don't bounce from your current level. Move back down to the previous lows. 82.45 might be a nice spot for some AVAX. But a lot of alts are getting some retracements. No. We kind of talked about at some point altcoins, at some point Bitcoin was going to get some retracements, and here we are. Taking the opportunity to use this, right? If you got some extra fiat on the side, right? I know you guys hate the old buy the dips. But I'll say once again, guys. Don't be SpongeBob, right? Be a bull, okay? Don't be the happy SpongeBob. You see see happy SpongeBob up top? You see the one that's going like this? Be that one. That's the SpongeBob you don't want to be. Don't be the SpongeBob on the ground right there, okay? That's the SpongeBob who is always very, very upset because he always misses and he never buys when the prices go down, all right? Just be prepared, man. We just made a double bottom. What's going on, Sergio? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, Sergio. Yeah, we're trying to get a double bottom here. That's sort of the hope, right? If we can hold this swing low, the hope is here for some type of W. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing. A bounce back up here. That would be awesome. If there's any way Bitcoin could get a close back in here, that would be very, 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 very awesome. I would love that. If Bitcoin can get a close back in there, that would be super awesome. Daniel said, hey, boss, now that we know Savvy was right the whole time, should we apply to Taco Bell Las Vegas? What's KDA look like? Taco Bell in Las Vegas, man. Yeah, we might have to start on Saturday, man. Oh, God, I don't want to work at Taco Bell.
Hey boss, now that we know
Oh,
Savvy was
God.
right this whole time.
A work at Taco Bell?
Taco Bell Las Vegas?
Let's see if they have a Taco Bell hat.
KDA look like?
What is this? Oh, God. I'm gonna go apply to Taco Bell. Excuse me, is the manager here? Excuse me? Yeah, I used to be a crypto streamer, and, you know, unfortunately, all the crypto prices are going down. Do you guys have any openings? Oh, you guys don't hire crypto people because we're volatile? What do you mean I'm volatile? I'm not volatile. What do you mean? You already hired your last person? What do you mean you already hired someone? Who did you hire already? I'm George. We're all George. Guys, I just got a job at Taco Bell last night because, you know, Bitcoin is gonna go down. Bitcoin is gonna go down. So I had to apply to Taco Bell. I think Jordan tried to apply to Taco Bell and he got rejected. Because I'm always going to go up. I always go up. It's always red moon for me. But that's all I have. If you guys want a job at Taco Bell, let me know. Jordan, I'm not giving you a job. Okay? But that's it. See you guys. All right. Guess I'm working at Taco Bell now, guys. It's over. It's over.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
I'm just kidding. Chill out, guys. Do some Zen. Some Zen. Some Zen. Whew. George Love XRP. Jordan has an opening. It's called a gaping hole. A gaping hole. Nah, man. My gaping hole. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna say my gaping hole is very, very tight. Skeptical.
Bruh.
Lifo, what's up, man? Jordan's never volatile. Very, very volatile, man. I gotta work at Taco Bell now.
Jordan is never volatile.
It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. My YouTube's messing me up tonight. Okay? Get my Donald's hat out. YouTube's messing me up tonight, man. McDonald's hat out. There we go. You just bought all the dips? Everyone's bought all the dips. We're out of fiat, man. I got no more fiat. Where's Bob when I need him, man? Where's Bob when I need him? How am I supposed to buy the dips? God damn. How am I supposed to buy the dips? I got no more fiat. Come on, bro. I got no more fiat. I already used all my fiat. All these crypto tubers tell me to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. Hodl. Now I'm broke. Now I'm homeless. What do you want me to do? Buy the dip with a nickel I found in the ground? How is that going to help me? I'm never trusting any of these crypto tubers again. Oh, God, man. George said, I am bullish every day, all year long. Me too. Me too, George. Me too, George. Thanks for hanging out, man. We're just hanging out, watching the BTC price action. Like we said, our hope here is just a double bottom off our previous swing highs. You know, we actually got to wick all the way back down to 44.4. That's a level we want to hold. Right? That's all our previous swing highs. And we're looking for that W bottom. We love W bottoms here. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why is it stinking here? It ain't the talkies, let me tell you. All right, but yeah, I mean, that's sort of the hope. That's sort of the hope. I would love, if there's any way Bitcoin can get juicy, come all the way back and close back in our little symmetrical triangle here, that would be awesome. That would be very, very awesome. You know, so far, hasn't done it, but that would be the ultimate goal here. I eat red candles for breakfast. Preferably scented ones. What? Strawberry? We talking strawberry? We talking cherry? We talking red apple? What kind of red are we talking about? All right. What's some other alts we can look at, guys? Alts we can look at. So, you know, we looked at AVAX. I mean, some alts are looking kind of good, man. You know, for some interesting levels. Like, all the alts needed a cool off. All right, especially ETH. ETH needed a cool off. ADA getting that cool off on the daily. Look at the daily stocks getting a nice cool off here, right? Daily RSI needed a cool off. It's what a lot of these altcoins needed, man. 4 hour coming back down, awesome. 4 hour RSI coming back down, awesome. And you're still above this big downtrend of resistance that stems all the way back from all-time highs, right? So you're still above that. You know, ultimately, this is what a lot of these coins needed, right? Cardano, one of them. I'm more so looking at the daily. Like, the daily was just so overheated here on many different indicators. But these are the two that I look at. We needed a cool-off. Could we continue going sideways here for a little bit? Let these EMAs catch up? Absolutely. We got too overextended from the 20. Way too overextended from the 20. And we needed a cool-off too. And that's what Cardano's getting. A lot of them are getting. Theta, same thing, cooling off nicely. We already backed down to the 20 on Theta. Nice stuff there. Just a nice cool-off. A nice cool-off there. What else do we got? Ape just got enough data on the daily already, man. 4 hour on Ape. Look at Ape, man. Ape's coming down. Coming down heavy. Let's see. So if Bitcoin can find a double bottom, we got an interesting setup there on Ape. We got lower lows and we got higher lows on Ape on the 4 hour time frame, right off the previous swing low. So if Bitcoin can find a bottom there, altcoins might probably find a nice bottom. That might be a good setup there for Ape for a bounce back up. There's a lot of different alts, guys. A lot of different alts. VeChain is sub 8 cents. VeChain. Yeah. VeChain could be coming back down right at support too. Let's see where the 4 hour closes again. But we still have this pattern here. We have downtrend of support, downtrend of resistance, just in a sort of a big channel slash, you know, you can call it a flag, whatever you want to call it here. Right to the 786. So now we're looking for a 4 hour close back in. If this closes below, probably coming back down and take this wick down here. All right, back down to 6.8 cents. So watch the close. You're right here on this. Let's hope for a close back above there. Close back above there. All right, all is good. You just need Bitcoin to cooperate here now. That's it. The iced tea pattern. You got lots of Ape. Joshua said, "Rip Bull, see you at 2025."
Rant alert.
Josh. If this gets you excited, man, If you're going to be jerking off because of this price action, if you're going to sit here and jerk off to this price action, man, this is what you look like right now. This is what you look like. Bitcoin's at 45K. See you in 2025, fools. I'm a pencil neck. My name's Joshua. I'm a bear always. I never have the balls to buy. I'm always too scared to buy. Prices are going down again. I'm not going to buy this time either. I never buy crypto. That's why I don't own any. I never will too. I only like buy when the prices go up. If the prices go back above 60K, then I'll buy. My name's Joshua. I'm a FOMO or pencil neck. I only FOMO when the prices go up. Come on, Josh. Hey, grow some balls. Buy when the prices are low, man. Josh is the perfect example of someone that will buy when the prices go up. It's like clockwork, man. I keep hitting stuff, and the friggin' lady below me is gonna start going against the friggin' ceiling. This lady, man. This lady. It's okay. She's an old lady. She has problems. She has mental problems. I can't get mad. Okay. She can't control it. Okay, Jordan. Do some komasa. She can't control it. All right. She's a very, very nice woman inside her heart. She just can't control. She can't control. Okay. Be nice, Jordan. Be nice. There's no reason to be mean. All right. So 44,920 on BTC. Looking for a bounce back up. I'd love to get a bounce back above 45,127, which is the previous wicks, on the hourly at least. That'd be nice. That would be nice. Is she single, bathwater? Oh, God. I don't know if you want to deal with that one, man. I don't know, man. She's definitely single. But I wouldn't go near that even if it was the last chick on earth. I'd rather just jerk off. Like, I'm dead serious. You know, there's some chicks you'd be like, if that was the last woman on earth, I'd rather just jerk off. I'd rather rub my pickle against cement and use that than go anywhere near that thing. That thing. But, you know, it's okay. It's okay. She's a nice lady. She's just a little psycho. Let me fix that. How are you a crypto streamer and live in a box? Hey, I work at Taco Bell, man. I mean, there's only so much I can do. I can only afford a box. I can't afford a Lambo like all these other guys. Sheesh. Clint said, Christ's sakes. Hey, Clint, I'm serious. You know? Woman below you is Waterfly, chill, man. Don't get me to say these things. You're gonna get me in trouble. Tornado wanted GLMR. I got you on that, Tornado. Nice name, man. Tornado 8888. It's nice. It's nice, man. All right. What is it? GLMR? Family streamer Jordan no longer exists. I used to be way worse. If you guys been watching me like early last year, I used to be way worse. You know, I made it a little bit more PG. Because people are like, Jordan, you can't be saying this stuff. I'm not watching you anymore. So I made it a little bit more PG. But in general, I have a pretty dirty mouth.
Hey Jordan, do you also end up with
Not like swearing and stuff. I'm not really a swearer. More so, you guys know my jokes. Come on. You guys have been watching me forever. You know how I joke. All right. So GLMR, this didn't play out. Let me tell you. Massive M pattern to the downside. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. McDonald's pattern to the downside. I wish I still worked at McDonald's. I did. But yeah, you broke the neckline there. But you're right on the 4-hour 50 EMA. That's probably going to be a juicy, juicy fib level as well. Swing low to swing high. Let's see what we got here. You thinking about it? GG. It's the perfect time to buy. 45,000. All right, GLMR. 50 EMA. Let's see, man. Could this come a little bit lower? I think it could. You know, potentially. Potentially. A lot of it depends on BTC. But it would surprise me if this actually got a quick wick back down to the 618 and continued up. Would not surprise me whatsoever. So a little bit lower. But I think you're getting to that point where the 4-hour stocks are bottomed out. Not quite any bullish div just yet on the 4-hour time frame. Become a little bit lower, you'll have some bullish diversions. Hourly rate, that's a nice wick off the 200 on the hourly, man. This could be a juicy spot. You're at the 50 EMA on the 4-hour and it's the 200 on the hourly. That's a juicy spot for a bounce. And it also correlates with Bitcoin trying to bounce back up a little bit. That could be nice. That could be very, very nice. Very, very nice if you ask me. Very, very nice. Hey, Jordan, do you also end up on P-Hub every time Bitcoin dumps? Please let us know. On P-Hub? No, not yet. Not yet, man. Not yet. Almost there, man. No, I'm just kidding. No, we're not on P-Hub, bro. Jabba might be. Jabba and Melissa might be at some point. I like what I see. Is this what you meant, Jordan? Some financial advice? Michael said, remember, your short-lived second channel where you gave... That's funny, Mike. That's funny, Mike. Hey, listen, man. You know I know my shit. You know my shit, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
I don't know if I would watch that. Let's see. Ponzi. He said Ponzi Hub. Ah, jeez. But, like, listen, if you guys are just joining now, Bitcoin's at 45K. Trying to get a decent bounce here, right? I mean, so far, so good. 4-hour RSI is a little bottomed out. It makes sense. Daily with a nice reset. Nice reset of the stocks in the daily time frame. We're coming back down heavy here on the stocks. Daily was overheated on the RSI. You're also cooling that back off. You gotta love it. You gotta like what you're seeing here. You know, if you wanted a true and a nice back test of the daily RSI, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, if you ask me. I think a lot of things are beautiful. You guys know that, but it's beautiful if you ask me. Right? Daily RSI resistance line coming down. Perfect back test off that. Now you're looking for continuation. In theory, okay? In theory, you can still consolidate sideways for a little bit longer, but in theory, that's exactly what you wanted to see. We're juiced up. If Bitcoin can get the juice now, we are juiced up for a bounce. Very, very juiced up. You got to love it. You got to love it. What's a Taki? Oh, let's see here. 1,000 votes, the best Takis. Red, blue, and never had Takis. 58% of people never had Takis. Guys, come on. If you guys love chips, you need to get some... Quick rant alert, man.
Rant alert.
If you guys love chips, you need to go get some Takis at the store. I don't care if it's the red ones or the blue ones. They're both good in my opinion. You need to get some Takis. The better ones are the red ones. Okay? Blue are good too. I have some blue ones here. The red ones are better. I'm actually upset I didn't get the red ones today. But you need to go get some Takis, guys. They're very, very good. Very, very good. All right. Anyways. Mama wants GRT. I got you, man. GRT. At least we got some price action on stream, man. It's been slow for price action on stream. All right. GRT. Live in Canada, you don't have those? They don't sell Takis over here. Had to look them up. Oh, they're delicious, man. You guys know I love my chips. I told you guys to get the purple Doritos. If you guys got the purple Doritos, you know how good the purple Doritos are. Okay? You need to try Takis, man. Try Takis. I'm telling you. Your life will be changed. All right, so GRT. Nice bounce there. The hourly is just coming back down to test the 50 EMA and a lot of these alts. You're building some bullish div here too. Got higher lows, and you're right there. You come down a little bit lower on the close. Actually, right now technically you do have some bullish div. It's slightly lower. You got lower lows, higher lows coming in. Daily stocks coming down hard, right? Let's check the 4-hour time frame as well. Yeah, you're sitting right there. You're sitting right there on the 4-hour. So the hope on the 4-hour time frame, if we get rid of that, so we know we have that. Right in the 200 4-hour EMA. A lot of support at this area. Also looking for a, overall, we're looking for a double bottom, right? So you got one low, you got two lows on the 200 4-hour EMA. You're looking for a double bottom continuation to the upside. That's what you're looking for. Same thing on BTC, right? 4-hour RSI reset beautifully to the downside. Now you're waiting for that next move, which could be coming soon. If you get a little bit higher in the 4-hour close, you could have some bullish div on the 4-hour too. So a lot of nice things here. A lot of nice things coming in right around this level. Very, very, very interesting level there for GRT. But I think this continues up. I think this continues up here. Absolutely sell Takis in Canada, just lies. All lies. They're all lies, man. They're all lies. What's Doge doing? Doge is pulling back a little bit. Not really too much moving right now, guys. Not really too much moving. They lied, man. They lied. Bathwater said you don't have to take a lot of profits to not get wrecked. Even a little helps on the downtrend. Very true. Very, very true. Amp is getting ready for some Chipotle. I would eat some Chipotle too, man. I love Chipotle. You guys know I love Chipotle. I love Chipotle. There was a time where, like, for 3 months, I ate Chipotle every single day. And I was literally a burrito at that point. It was bad. I was literally turning it into a burrito. It was really, really bad, man. Jordan, could you please look at SLP? SLP. Let's see. SLP, man. I got you, Captain. Captain Wiener? Oh, Captain Weirdbeard. His name's Captain Weirdbeard, man. All right, SLP. That chart looks awful. SLP. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, we're coming back down to test our daily support. Clint said you must have ballooned up to 265. It's actually not that bad. Depending what you get on it, the only problem with Chipotle is they put so much sodium. They put so much sodium in it, right, to the point where it's like, you know what I mean? Like, there's just so much sodium. You know, there was, I looked it up. There was sometimes some of the things I was eating was having like 2,000 milligrams of sodium in one sitting, which was pretty bad. For one meal, that's really, really bad, right? What do you mean, Jordan? I have 6,000 milligrams of sodium every single meal. I eat General Gao's, beef teriyaki, boneless spare ribs, pork fried rice. What else do I have? Savvy, what else do I have? What do we have tonight? Oh yeah, crab rangoons, chicken teriyaki, and I really like beef and broccoli, but I don't eat the broccolis. I give the broccolis to Savvy. He needs them. He needs them. Have you seen his face? Yeah. All right. Guys, I'm out of here. Just want to tell you how much sodium I eat. See ya. Go Bitcoin to the downside. Man. I'm sure your perfect blood pressure can handle it. My blood pressure is perfect. It's actually perfect. Like, literally can't be more perfect than it is. I don't remember what they told me, but the doctor was like, your blood pressure cannot get more perfect than it is. You are the most healthy person I've ever seen. And I said, oh, thanks, man. No, they didn't say that. They didn't say that as. I'm totally making that up. They didn't say it as healthy as they ever seen, but he said it was really, really good. All right, so SLP. SLP. I mean, it's just a longer term consolidation, like a lot of things, right? You got uptrend of support, downtrend of resistance. What's the daily look like though? All right, you got the 20 and the 50 both coming in on the daily right at support. The question is, if it comes back down, is it going to hold that support? Let's wait to see. Let's check the 4-hour, see if there's any clues. We know we love our clues on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour stocks coming down, 4-hour RSI coming down. You're creating some bullish divergence as of right now. The question is, will it hold? right? You got lower lows, you got higher lows coming in right at the 50 EMA. 4-hour stocks are bottoming out, you know? So is this move done for now as Bitcoin tries to bounce back to the upside? Certainly look like it could be, right? A lot of altcoins are resetting here, which is really, really nice. Very, very nice. If it does dip, would make a lot of sense. Come back down and test the support, where also the 204-hour EMA is also coming in right there at 2 cents. So that's fine. I think we're going to hold this no matter what. 4 hours looking a little, it looks like it wants to bounce back to the upside as long as Bitcoin does not crap the bed. That's always the biggest thing. We need Bitcoin not to crap the freaking bed, which, has so far in this stream, but I think we're good, guys. I think we're good. Let's chill out. Let's take a chill pill. Let's not get too over exuberant, and let's chill. Let's take a chill pill, guys. Buy Chipotle with 6 easy payments. Dude, don't get me started about Chipotle. Do not get me started about Chipotle, man. The Chipotle app sucks. I'm not going to tell you guys why, but the Chipotle app sucks. I am never going to eat Chipotle again. Guys, it's not the food. I love Chipotle's food. I love everything about Chipotle. But I will never eat there again because of their app. Right? Screw their app. Okay? Screw their app. That's all I'll tell you. I'm not going to tell you what happened. You're still live? Watch old stupid crypto banter at 2x, learn nothing. Hey, nothing wrong with crypto banter. Crypto banter does his thing, He definitely does his thing, man. Hey, I mean, do you learn anything watching my stream? Take it for what you will. You know what I mean? Luna eyeing all-time high? Where's Luna? Did Luna pull back the rest of the market? Dude, Luna's a rock, man. Luna has no chill whatsoever. It never does. It never does. Look, it came back down a little bit, and now it's coming right back up. It's crazy, man. Luna has no chill. Does it come back up and get the highs again? Did it hit all-time highs again today? It did on this 4-hour candle. I'm playing the pump song, guys. The 4-hour, the daily technically hit all-time highs again. I'm playing the pump song for Luna again. We're doing it, man. We're keeping the streak up for Luna. Let's get it, man. Don't wanna party. There it is. Shout out to Luna, man. Luna just continues up. Continues up. Ma, I passed sniper school. Oh, God. Don't get me started, man. Please don't get me started, man. I can't. Oh, God. Don't get me started, man. Oh, God. Here we go. You got me started, man. Here's what you did. Here's what you did. You guys asked for this. What's going on, guys? It's the Crypto the Man ran. All right? Guys, join Sniper School. You want to start trading like a pro? Join Sniper School. You see me in the Sniper Scope right now. Join Sniper School, guys. All right? You see my eye? It looks like the logo of my guy. Whatever his name is. I don't even know his name. Okay? Join Sniper School. We're going to learn a bunch of different things. It's Crypto the Man ran. All right? We're going to learn a bunch of things today. We're going to look at a bunch of the news. We're going to do some interviews. We're going to kill it. We're going to talk about some altcoins. I talk about like 80 different altcoins, and then I get pumped when I get one of them called correctly. But I'm the best at calling altcoins, guys. I'm the best at calling altcoins. I only have like 300 in my portfolio. So I'm eventually going to get one right. But I'm Crypto the Man Randro. Oh, man. Crypto the Man ran. Yes! I love this show. I watch this to know what coins to short. Yes! I'm going to short every one of these coins that Crypto the Man ran's talking about this. Yes! Yes! Oh my god! I love this show! Okay, I need to short all these coins that he's talking about. Yes! Savvy! Come on, let's short! Oh, man. Bathwater, man. You're too funny, bro. Ah, man. Who calls himself the man? If someone calls themselves the man, they're not the man. You know? It's like if someone calls themselves savvy. They're not savvy. If someone calls themselves an expert, they're not an expert. Nope. Who calls himself the man? I'm sure he is the man. I don't know. I don't know him, guys. I don't know. I don't know Rand. I'm sure he is the man, but here's what it is. Sniper. Oh, God. Big balls drama. So 45.66. Bitcoin's trying to bounce back up here, guys. Trying to bounce back up. We chill watching stuff. I mean, not a lot of alts are doing anything right now. Just following BTC's price action. Here's what happens when you see volatility. Just volatility, guys. Don't get scared out of the market every time we have some type of move, man. Every time we have volatility, we get scared. Let's chill. Let's do some Kamal-Sa. These are the times when the prices are going down. You look at altcoin entries that you could get into, right? We can certainly look at altcoin entries. If you guys have any altcoins you guys want to look at entries for, let me know in the chat. I'll gladly look at altcoin entries. Let me know. These are the times where you should be looking at altcoin entries. Not panicking, not thinking about selling because the prices are going down. No, do that when the prices are going up, right? Panic sell when the prices are going up, not when the prices are going down. Now are the times you want to look at the prices and look at, oh, I should buy this coin at this price. You know, oh, this coin's down 8%. Let me take a look if this is a good time to buy. Not sell at these prices, okay? You do what you want to do. You do it, man. All right. It's not tough, man.
Everybody panic. We're going to zero.
Bonker school. Let's see what you guys are saying. Phantom. We'll do a Phantom. We'll do some Phantom. AMP. Is there ever a good time to buy AMP? All right, let's look at Phantom. Someone said peace story. Gotta go to sniper school. Let's look at Phantom. Why did I spell it like that? Phantom. 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 Let's see. Phantom. Let's see, man. Let's see. Phantom. What do I think of Band's protocol? I like Chainlink. But I guess there's room for two, I guess. There's always room for two in the grand scheme of things. All right, Phantom. Let's zoom out a little bit on the daily. So daily came back down. Daily, just like a lot of other alts, needed a reset. Okay, a lot of FUD on Phantom, but from the bottom, Phantom went up about 65% without a pullback. All right, it was due. You came back up, got a perfect wick off the 200-day 200-day exponential moving average. Now you broke the 50, you broke the 20. Right? What you're hoping for here is a clean back test of the downtrend resistance from the previous all-time highs, which right now you're holding, right? Very, 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 on a little bit of a whim, you're holding it, but so far so good, right? So far so good. Now what you want to see, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, just to get a little bit of an overview we're looking at. Man, Phantom was looking good as far as like a bullish accumulation, but that just got smacked to the downside there. Sometimes that's what happens, man. You can have these, big moves up, downwards channels, and then just a break to the downside. That can happen. 4 hours getting a little oversold, though, right? You're right at hypothetical support. 4 hours getting down there. 4 hour stocks are bottomed out. So, I mean, at least in the short term, I would expect at least a short-term move back up. Now, where could you expect to move back up to? Well, you could certainly could be a bearish back test. Move back up to retest this previous support as resistance. Certainly could do that. But that's what happens sometimes in the market, man. You're not always going to get it 100% correctly. That's the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. So, at least right now, I think this is getting a little oversold. Entry points, I mean, the entry point would have been down here, in theory, right? Other entry points, if it does continue lower, right? I always like to say, hypothetical, if it does continue lower. Obviously, the 618 is obviously the biggest one. 618 retrace back down to 128. You know, a huge retrace. The 786, 117. Those would be two areas I look at for buy orders in case it does go that low. But right now, if you wanted to buy right now, I wouldn't be against it, man. I wouldn't be against it. I mean, obviously, you know, you're going to be holding this for long term if it does go back down. I mean, it is down about 17%. You bought the wick. That's a 20% dip. You know I love 20% dips. I would have been bad about betting. Bad. Oh my god, I can't talk. It's like when I say Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic. I would be mad about buying Ethereum Classic down at the level. That at the freaking level, man. I would not be bad. But no, I wouldn't have been mad if you bought Phantom on the dip, man. That's not FOMOing. That's what you should be doing. But if it does go lower, those are two entry levels I'd look at. If you wanted to buy right now, wouldn't be against it, though. Definitely wouldn't be against it. F me, another time I should have taken profits. Let's see. Ethereum Classic. Let's see. Backtest them like likes. Backtest them likes. We had a little bit issue. We had a little issue earlier. I apologize, guys. You know, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Fahid said BTC Apple. Let's wait for confirmation, man. We haven't heard anything. A lot of people were hyping up the BTC Apple thing. Let's wait for confirmation, man. Regret said, I love what I see. I do love what I see. Don't try to troll me, man. Don't try to troll me. I love what I see. You're the one panicking in your little gymborees, man. I do love what I see. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's days like this that get me pumped, man. Because I was sort of saying, like, I was sort of looking at this and we needed a little reset. And it's awesome that we're getting it right now. And it's awesome that we got the reset while continuing to hold the previous highs, continue to hold the 200-day EMA. Chill out, man. Chill out. Do some Zen. Daily stocks, awesome reset. I love it, man. I love it. Because watch what happens. These are going to come back down. These are going to bottom out in a couple days, right? Everyone's going to be super bearish. You're going to have all the jimmies, shiveling their jimborees. You're going to have all the pencil necks coming in. Bitcoin's bearish. I'm going to get super bearish at support. And when Bitcoin's extremely oversold. That's what I do. I get bearish at support. Bearish at support, bullish at resistance. That's what I do, man. Yeah, that's what I do, bro. Bitcoin's going to reset this. Everyone's going to get bearish again. And someone tells me it'll bounce back to the upside. But, okay, who am I to say that, okay? I know just as much as you guys, all right? I guess I'm a pencil neck. You can call me a pencil neck if you want. Chill out. I need to see some happy clappy. I got you, Ultimate Gandhi. Happy clappy, man. Glad to see you in here, Gandhi. Love you, bro.
I need to see some happy.
Let's get all happy and clappy, man. Let's chill. Let's zen out. Vitalik, clappy. Vitalik is very happy and clapping. There it is. Yeah, a lot of people talk about May. Oh, sell in May and go away, man. Sell in May and go away. I'm not a big proponent of that, man. Last year, it was correct. Years before that, it wasn't. I hate the whole sell in May and go away. Last year, it was totally correct. But you look at the past, and I don't have the chart up here, but you look at the past times when it was like sell in May and go away, it just wasn't true. It wasn't true in the past. It wasn't true at all. A lot of times, May was a green month. But not last year, obviously. Definitely not last year. But a lot of times before that, it was. Someone should make a dubstep remix of the Clappy song. They should, in theory, right? In theory. But he's not happy to have a clap. I'm just kind of reading the chat right now, guys. Just reading the chat, hanging out. That's what I'm doing tonight. Cat said, how old am I? I am 45, man. 45. I mean, technically now, I've had a couple birthdays. Technically, I'm like 278, but I'm going to go 45 so I look young. Too many institutional investors now. Conference starts tomorrow. Last year, Bitcoin dumped 8% first day, 20% by end of week. Facts. I mean, you never know with this crap, man. You never know with this crap. Yeah, remember the B word conference? Everyone was hyping that up. Okay, the B word conference with Elon and all the other guys, Jack, and everyone was hyping that up. Oh, sell the rumor, buy the news, or the opposite. Buy the rumor, sell the news. And Bitcoin ended up from that day pumping madly to the upside. Madly to the upside. Why am I saying madly? I don't know. But the B word event was right here. Obviously, we know what happened there. You never know with this crap, man. You never know with this crap. Something bullish could happen and you can pump up to the upside. I take that stuff with a big grain of salt. A big grain of salt. So, take it for what you will. A lot of these events, like you have El Salvador buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin dumped right here, right? This was El Salvador Day. Boom. This would be B-word conference day. Boom. So, who the frick knows, man? Who the frick knows with this crap? That's all I gotta say. Who the frick knows? He's 45. Plan B word. Skillful said tomorrow 46, Thursday 47, Friday 48. Everyone is Jordan's birthday. No, in all seriousness, I am a old 28. But if you want to round, you can call me 29 if you want to round. I'm almost getting to the big 3-0. It's slightly scary, man. It's slightly scary. Looking more like a massive bull flag. Yeah, I mean, it's something that we are tracking. We've been tracking this for a while, right? I'm not going to hide this. We look at this every day. Something that we do want to break out of eventually. You know what I mean? What I'll say is every time Bitcoin breaks above the 120-day moving average, it does come back down and test it. It does go up, But, I'm not calling for Bitcoin coming all the way back down here. I don't think Bitcoin comes back there to like 39K. Back down to 40K. Does Bitcoin go back down to 40K? I don't see it. Is it out of the realm of possibility? Absolutely not. But I don't see it. May 15th is Jordan's birthday. That would be a horrible birthday, man. That was when Bitcoin. Imagine that. I was like partying for my birthday. May 15th was right here. Oh God, that day would have sucked. That started the massive move to the downside. The big 3-0. All right. You guys know it. Here we go. You guys know it. Oh, when Jordan starts saying, all right, he almost done. But Bitcoin is trying to bounce back up here. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer, guys. See if Bitcoin can get a little bit higher here and get back into this kind of consolidation pattern. And if this just ends up being a giant wick to the bottom side and then a bounce right back up, It could just be a giant wick. You never know with BTC. Same thing it did last time, actually. It actually didn't wick down last time. 45,250. See if Bitcoin can get back in here, guys. If Bitcoin can get back in here, that would be very, very juicy. Very, very juicy. It's getting bought up like a freaking, freight train right now. Getting bought up like a damn freight train. 2%. It's not that big. I'm sort of exaggerating here, but it is trying to get bought up here. Prickly said I grabbed on the dip. Hey, unfortunately, I'm streaming right now, so. Clint said, this little drop is nothing. You want to know when we get screwed on BTC when Tesla sells their $2 billion of it. Elon alone moves the markets. True. We'll find out if they do. Clint. I don't think he'll do it. I think Elon himself actually really likes crypto. I don't see him dumping. If he does, everyone will hate him. I know he doesn't care, and he shouldn't care if everyone hates him, but everyone in the crypto market will hate him if he does. And I think he actually generally likes crypto. So I don't think he dumps his BTC. Why do you look at ETH? All the alts are going to follow BTC at the moment, guys. ETH is kind of the same thing. It came back down, didn't quite wick to the previous lows, but on the 4 hour came back down to test the previous lows. So far, so good on the bounce. 4 hour is looking to build some bullish divergence on the lows, though. Right? You got lower lows, and you got higher lows in price action. Right? 4 hour stocks are bottomed out. But, yeah. Waterfly said Mohegan Sun tomorrow. Listen, Waterfly, I would totally be down, man, but I got to, I'm obviously going to be gone for a week. I'm going to be gone for a week starting, actually, Thursday. I'll be gone Thursday, I'll be gone Thursday to Friday. Like I said, I am going to bring my stuff to stream if the internet's good enough, but who knows? Who knows with the freaking hotel internet, you know what I mean? I am going to buy the premium internet. We'll see if it works. You never know with that stuff. I'm super excited, man. You know when you have a vacation coming up and you're like, yeah, you know, you get excited for every part of it. Packing, going to the airport, sitting on the plane, you know, getting there, taking an Uber to the hotel. It's gonna be great, man. I'm excited for it. Alrighty. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it at that because I could sit here all night and watch BTC. You know me. I could talk about nothing all night, but I'm gonna get off and let you guys enjoy the charts without me here. I will catch you guys tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Catch you guys there. Just chill, guys. Just chill. Use these times to accumulate altcoins if you have fiat and if you're looking to hold long term. Use these times to accumulate. All right. What's your thought on Doge? Doge is at a big resistance point, my man. All right, Azak. Doge got a rejection off the. Where's Doge? Doge got a rejection off the 200 EMA on the daily. All right, big rejection point. So just be careful here. Last time it got rejected, had a pretty swift move back down. Doge will pump. If Bitcoin holds up, Doge will pump too, right? But right now, pretty big move up for Doge. Won't be surprised if this just consolidates, comes a little down in the 4-hour time frame. Just to reset some indicators, man. You know, sometimes that's good. Sometimes good. It needs a little reset on the daily, on the daily stock RSI. So a little reset wouldn't hurt. A little reset, or just accumulation. Right? If it just comes down like a bull flag or something with BTC, like this, then a continuation up eventually. It's probably what I would expect for Doge. Just a little accumulation because you had a pretty big day. 16% day. It's pretty big, right? But other than that, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there. Enjoy the charts. If you have fiat, grab some alts. All right? Catch you guys later. Adios, guys. See ya. Peace.